Okay, now it's time to put this plate on. Behind this plate, as you can see here, there's an O-ring. And it's always just a bit too small and it pops off. What I do is I just put a few dabs of super glue all the way around the edge. It holds it in place, because the last thing you want is to fit that and that pops out and it doesn't seal properly, because again you'll get an oil leak. So what I always do, again, 3 bond, just put a bead of that on top. Doesn't have to be anything major, but it makes sure that you're not going to leak. Right on top of the O-ring. Beautiful. Right, so we put this plate on. I'm using new screws because the other ones got a little bit smashed up when we had to knock them out. Or chiseled some of them out. Just loosely, as you'll see the plate's moving because it centres on the countersunk holes. And again, JS screwdrivers, it holds it in place and you can tighten them up. Give them a good tighten. That's not going to leak. Next thing to do is put the spacer back on. I've degreased all this and got all the muck off it, so a little bit of grease just smeared around there ensures that when this spins it's not going to pick the seal up and split it. There we go. Just make sure it's down. Now I always put an X-ring chain on, so I know that the clearance when you put the sprocket on, it will foul on there and it'll carve into that. So I bought some shims. I know it takes 2 of those so the chain doesn't catch, so I'll put those on next. Sprocket. Oops. The old tab washer, which I've just knocked flat. And then the nut. You'll note on the nut, there's one side with a radius edge, one side that's flat. It's the flat side that goes onto there. If we can get it on. Yeah. And then quick buzz gun. Just trying to. That's all it needs. And if I can find my little screwdriver, which I can't. Oh, there it is. There's a hole there, just tap it down the back of it. And start it peeling a bit. And then the good old Stilsons to fold it over. Do it on both sides. And again, fold it over. And that is that area completed. We'll start on this area now, the sprag clutch, build all this up, and I'll just get everything out and prepare it for you.